A very warm and pleasant good morning to all. Our respected dignitaries, proud parents, faculty members, graduates and my dear friends. Today is truly a day of pride, achievement and heartfelt celebration. On behalf of the Mechanical Department, I am Ms. Riti Patil.
And I'm Ms. Yashaswini Mandvalkar.
I'm delighted to welcome you all to the 9th graduation day and toppers felicitation function of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. To begin this auspicious occasion, let us seek blessings for success and prosperity. I kindly invite Sanchita and Padma Shri to lead us with the invocation song.
विनाशक तव चरणं मूषिकवाहन मोदक प्रिय श्री मुनिजन वन्दित तव चरणं मूषिकवाहन मोदक प्रिय श्री मुनिजन वन्दित तव चरणं ॐ गणनाथा श्री गौरीसुत विघ्न विनाशक तव चरणं कलिमुख वरदा कामित फलदा श्री गजवदना तव चरणं कलिमुख वरदा कामित फलदा श्री गजवदना तव चरणं ॐ गणनाथा श्री गौरीसुत विघ्न विनाशक तव चरणं नमामि शङ्कर सुत विघ्नेश गिरिजातनया तव चरणं ॐ गणनाथा श्री गौरीसुत विघ्न विनाशक तव चरणं.
Thank you, dear Sanchita and Padma Shri, for invoking the divine presence and leading us into this blissful moment.
Every journey begins with a warm welcome and an open mind. This department has always believed in nurturing innovation, discipline and excellence. Today's gathering is a reflection of that spirit, a celebration of years of learning, growth and accomplishment. To officially mark the beginning of today's celebration, it is my pleasure to invite Dr. Harshit Kulkarni, HOD, Mechanical Engineering Department, to deliver the welcome address.
I request the parents also to occupy the front seats here. Please come forward. Students, please be seated. Please come front. Parents can occupy the student seats also for some time. Please. Please occupy. Sanju, please guide them. They can be seated, no problem. Let them be seated. Okay. Thank you and sorry for the interruption. Yes, good morning, all of you. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to our graduation day ceremony. I am thrilled to celebrate this significant milestone with you all today. To our distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, our incredible graduates, a very warm welcome. We are especially honored to have our chief guest for today's function, Sri Vijayendra Purohit, Head Industrial Tool Design and Engineering, Kyocera Precision Tools India Private Limited. I welcome you, sir, for this function. I take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Shweta Gowder, Dean Research and Development, representing as in charge principal for today. Welcome you, ma'am, for this function. I take this opportunity to welcome the proud parents who had a dream that their children will be successful and they are today. Welcome to all the parents and guardians. Welcome you all. My next welcome goes to the teachers who have worked hard, motivated our students to become successful graduates. Welcome to all the teachers, deans, HODs for this function. And the most important, our graduating students. Today is a special day for all of you. This day is a celebration of achievement, and it would not have been possible without the support of your families. So special thanks to the parents and guardians for their love, sacrifice and belief in us. So once again, I take this opportunity to welcome the graduating students as well as all of us who are present here. Thank you. As we look ahead to the new challenges and opportunities that await, let us remember the lessons we have learned here. Let us continue to be curious, to challenge ourselves, and to make a positive impact on the world. Remember that this is not an ending but a new beginning. Go forth with confidence and embrace the future. Once again, welcome you all on this momentous occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words.
Great personalities don't just inspire us, they elevate the occasion. I now request Dr. Tushar Hawal to kindly introduce our esteemed chief guest, Sri Vijayendra Venkatesh Purohit, Head Industrial Tool Design and Engineering, Kyocera Precision Tools India Private Limited, Bengaluru.
Good morning all, respected dignitaries, distinguished faculty, proud parents, and the star achievers of the day, the graduating class of mechanical engineers. It is a moment of immense pride for us today, not just because we are celebrating the academic success of our students, but because our chief guest, Shri Vijayendra Venkatesh Purohit, is a testament to the excellence that begins right here at our very own campus. A distinguished alumnus returns with a special homecoming today. Shri Vijayendra Venkatesh Purohit began his illustrious journey exactly where you stand. He completed his graduation in mechanical engineering right here at KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. He later advanced his academic profile with an postgraduate degree, MBA in operational management. His career is a masterclass in mechanical design and leadership. He spent 5 years as a design engineer at Pragati Automation, working on complex machine tool accessories like turrets and automatic tool changers. He served for 12 years as Senior Manager of Design at Gogte India, specializing in the analysis and testing of cutting tool materials and geometries. He also led as the General Manager of Design and Engineering at GK and Sinter Metals, focusing on new product development for the automotive sector. His technical expertise has taken him to the world's leading engineering hubs. He has designed cutting tools in Israel. He underwent specialized training for the solid carbide tools in South Korea He worked on PCD tools for automotive products in Italy. He drove new product business development in Japan and delivered automotive product presentations in Germany. Despite his high-profile corporate roles, he remains committed in sharing the knowledge. He has authored 24 technical articles in magazines like Dhatukam and Lohakkarya, writing in local languages such as Kannada, Hindi, Marathi to ensure that the technical knowledge reaches the grassroots of the Indian industry. Currently, he is leading as the head of the design and development projects at Kyocera Precision Tools India Private Limited. In this role, he oversees the complete tooling solutions for the automotive and non-auto sectors and manages exports to the Asian countries. Students, he sat in the same benches you did, faced the same exams, and has now returned as a global leader in mechanical engineering. Please put your hands together for our distinguished alumnus and chief guest, Shri Vijendra Venkatesh Purohit. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir, for that informative and thoughtful introduction.
A gesture of respect may be small, but the gratitude behind it is immense. May I now request Dr. Shweta Gowder, Dean IRDC, KLS GIT, to felicitate our chief guest, Shri Vijendra Venkatesh Purohit. This token of appreciation reflects our deep respect for his wisdom, leadership, and contribution to the society. Moments like this create lasting memories that enrich our institution's journey. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for your gracious gesture.
It is rightly said, wisdom is a light that grows bright when shared. With this thought, I invite our distinguished chief guest, Shri Vijendra Venkatesh Purohit, to address the gathering for today's ceremony.
Good morning, all, and good morning to the mechanical department, head of the mechanical department, Dr. Ashish Kulkarni, and Madam, and also the respected teachers, respected faculties. Good morning to graduates, proud parents. It is a great feeling here, coming back again into the same place, but not exactly the same place, because my completion of graduation used to happen in my old campus, which was there in the city, that is near to Hindawadi location. So that time mechanical as well as IP used to happen in that area. Welcome to all. Already I think Harshit sir has explained everything about welcoming and other details. So I will not go into that way or that plane again. So first of all, today is your day, graduation day. 9th graduation day. It is great feeling to you all also, and you will be waiting for this moment to receive your graduates certificates, as well as I am also welcoming you all to come to the family of professionals. That means you have become professions. That means from student to the professional side. So, as we have seen, or you must have seen your past, how you have done the hard work or your perseverance, which has helped you to complete your graduation in mechanical engineering. I hope everybody has their focus into this subject and they came here to complete this subject or complete these degrees or degree in mechanical. And you have a great support from your family members, your relatives, and also your friend. I think friends you will not leave. They must have helped a lot to complete your graduation, right? They must have helped you to support for all your projects, right? All your assignments, and also in the exams. That will help you all. That is what I can say. Because this momentum is a great moment for you. Further to that, what we see is in today's industries, and before that, I just wanted to explain, or I just wanted to give an insight that I have visited twice here in the same dais for explaining or taking the students from here to our company. That time I was in Tegutech. Almost I worked for Tegutech 17 years. So we took almost 12 people, but out of that 7 got selected. And right now only one person is still there. He is working with us in Tegutech almost from past 15 years, I believe. More than 15 years. So he is still there and he is working very good. And we see this KLS society, this KLS GIT, Gogte Institute of Technology, has given a product in such a way that because of their faculties, because of the process of their studying to the children or giving the inputs to the students to make them ready for industries or industry purpose. To know more about industries, and before that, I would like to thank KLS management, who has invited me or given an invitation as a chief guest. And I was very much surprised when I got a call from Dr. Tushar that how they got my contact. So it was very nice to see it again here in the same place. And I'm seeing the old memories, because we used to come here only for the exams, final exams. That time this building was not at all there. Only few trades like computer science and electronics and electricals used to sit here in the same building. So we used to sit in the old campus. So okay, that is the past, but now we have to see the present. You may be waiting for what I am going to give the inputs to you to grow further, right? I think there are many parents and they are also eager to know how their children are growing in what direction. We are seeing that today's students, what we call it as Generation Z or Gen Z, today's world is Gen Z. So they are not cope up, or they are not into syncing with the thoughts of the elders or their seniors, what we see in today's generation. But yes, because of this technology, they are going into a different direction, because every knowledge is available in their hand. Not in hand, but in mobile. It is in mobile, but not in the masak. Earlier our teacher used to say, it is in the masak, whatever it is there in the pustak, it should be there, it should be there in the masak. But now that saying is different. It is everything is in mobile, but not here. So it is very easy to get everything into the mobile. That is very easy. Right now today's generation are going into that direction. But it is very difficult for you to choose which direction you are going. The children or students' mind is into a confusion stage, where in which direction they have to study or which direction they have to grow. That is what we also see during our interviews. We take the interviews of students, but we see only the basic things, how they are very strong into that subjects. The subjects what you taught or what you get from your teachers, there are multiple subjects, right? But outside the world, you may be thinking, I am studying differently, but I am working in a different subject. But it is true, it is a fact. But why I am saying is this is, your focus should be in one subject. And one subject will have one chapter, And in that one chapter, there are multiple industries, right? For example, if you have a chapter called manufacturing process. So in manufacturing process, there are different processes. But it is a rule and regulation that you have to complete this degree to learn every processes. But outside the world, there is only one process where one company is built, one company has built. So your focus and your thing is in such a way that you grow in that direction itself, so that you can excel very well. The point here to understand is, whenever you were at the children's phase or at the schooling phase, in that phase itself, you need to decide what direction, or your parents should have told, or your parents should have experience in their way, and you are experiencing in your way. That is totally different, so they have to tell that their experiences and your inputs with the present condition. In that condition, you have to think of, your focus has to be in that way, and grow in that direction. That is what we say. And also we see that the people who are excelling, where their focus is in that subject. In my past, when I studied my schooling, I studied in Valchanagar, where it is a small town, industrial town, where the company called Valchanagar Industries Limited. That is a very big company. That time my father was working there. So I got a lenience towards in that mechanical stream, because my father used to take us during holidays or during the Dasara holidays, where we used to visit that factory for pujas and all. So when I was small, I was very much thrilled to those movements of machines. Even now it is there, and at that time CNC machines were never there. All are conventional machines. And we used to get a machining sound at our home. That means that type of sound used to come while machining. That means you can understand how that impact used to happen for each and every member who was staying there or who is there in the family. So that lenience went to the mechanical stream, and also the study structure in Maharashtra during that time was totally different. We used to have optional subject at 8th standard itself. So we used to have option called technical and one more subject, that is what is social service kind of a thing subject. So I opted as a technical. So from 8th standard itself, I used to get a knowledge about technicalities about the designing aspects, technicalities about machining, technicalities about this electrical parts, everything. So till 12th standard, we used to run the machine in our schoolings, because we used to have machines. Even in 12th standard, we used to have machine. That is conventional machine. So we have done everything on conventional, that is milling, turning, shaping machine we used to have. That time CNC were not there. We also studied the smithy, we call it as the forging, right? Then carpentry, that thing also we studied at 12th standard. So that has given us the impact. So that focus started during that schooling stage itself. And that has straight away made me into this mechanical stream. And also I have excelled into that direction. So my subject in my mechanical engineering was manufacturing processes. So from the beginning, I have to be with the machine. That means to be with the hands-on. Unless until you do a practical, you will not learn anything. Because nowadays we see only on the softwares, what we learn the software, but we can't go near to the machine. We can't do any practical things, because whatever you do in software, it has to come to a practical stage. That is what even this today's AI, artificial intelligence, this is based on this practical knowledge itself. If you have a practical knowledge, imagination, that will transfer into AI, right? Because that requires external thinking by individual team members or individual worker who is doing that. So think in that way when you do or you focus on your favorite subject. I have seen students, they come to the industry, when we select them, they immediately shift to other subject. That means they don't want to continue, they leave the company and start with a different subject. So that shifting the subject again will give you a confusion. So my suggestion to all the graduates will be, please focus on your favorite subject. Be passionate about it. Even I suggest parents to give motivation to the children to focus on where their interest is. Whether he is interested in this particular electrical or subject like production, manufacturing, design, or any planning or supply chain, those kind of things which the wordings have come up, terminologies have come up nowadays. So let them excel in that direction, and they will grow into that way. That is what my suggestion, and also the suggestion to the parents to help them, because your support, teacher support, as well as the friends support. Friends are very much, because today's trend is they follow their friends' knowledge or their friends' instructions rather than instructions from the parents. But it is very difficult that you should follow your own thinking rather than taking the input from other people. Because they are experiencing with their focus, but you should experience with your own interest, with your own way of studying. Next, which I see that today's industry is growing in such a way that there is a lot of potential requirement for mechanical team. You must have seen in coming days from automotive sector. In automotive, every automotive sector has started their manufacturing in electrical vehicles. That we call it as EVs. But in EVs also, there is the requirements of mechanical, because design structure, the basic things need to happen by the mechanical team, because they know practically very well. Right? They know very much knowing about practicalities, and they will excel into that, and mechanical team should be there into that. So don't think that there is a trend setting by electrical or electronics. Now the people from electronics will get lot of jobs and all those things. It is not like that. So focus on your own stream, design stream, or your manufacturing stream to excel yourself. And apart from automotive, non-automotive is also there. What we see non-automotive means defense sector, aeronautical engineering or aeronautics, where a lot of investment is happening. In aeronautics, private sectors are coming. There are many suppliers or many startups have come up to support these big companies called Safran or Airbus or Boeing Industries. There are engine parts and other parts. There are various parts which are machining by our new startups. That side is also a good requirement for mechanical team. And I think many of you must have got campus in few industries where these non-automotive sectors are there. Apart from that, we have railways. You must be seen in today's, in every cities, they are becoming metros. That means metro vehicles are come, metro trains are come, but those manufacturing used to happen in China or other outside countries. But now the technology has come here in India. Even BEML, you must be knowing, Bharat Earth Movers Limited, where they are manufacturing the parts of this metro trains. And those things, the opportunities are also there. We are also supplying the products to them, to machining. And next is defense sector. There is investment is also happening. A lot of investment is happening from central government that is helping for other startups. And also recently, day before yesterday, central government has given, launched to many a private sector. That means the part which are manufacturing defense, those are going into the private sector. So that is a very good opportunity for us. That means the private sector is also coming into the way of manufacturing of these new products of defense sectors. They have also given products for this manufacturing of guns, then manufacturing of other related bullet parts. Those things are very critical for them, very precise for them. Unless and until it is confidentiality is to be done, because I should not explain too much on this. Then in non-automotive sector, we have seen the EVs, and also there are this mobile. You must have seen there are various designs which have come into this. So the mobile sector, manufacturing of mobiles, manufacturing of this television sets, tabs, you must have seen the tabs, the machining of the casings, whatever you are seeing with your mobile, this is manufactured in India. These Apple phones started in manufacturing in 20 during COVID time. The whole technology came in India, in Bangalore. Actually, that was kept confidential, where Tata company has started that. You must be surprised that they have invested a huge, very huge plant in Tamil Nadu, where this product is getting manufactured. I don't want to tell in depth of this, as these casings are made up of different materials. It is made up of chromium steel, inconel, stainless steel, high temperature alloys, because even this fell down, it should not break. And this casing required a lot of machining from solid. And this simple part is required almost more than 80 tools. You must imagine how small that micro tools is required for machining this. So there are opportunities which has created for us in India, and we should be happy that mechanical stream will not be closed. That means there is no end for mechanical. Actually, mechanical is always in the green stage. It is always in the green stage, which you should explore to your friends or your junior members to go into that direction. That is what I can say. And today's technology will help for mechanical stream to into software side as well, because there are many softwares which have come up in this direction to help to develop the new product and help for Indian industries as a make in India product. So, my dear friends and parents, further to that, I can say there are five things you should remember to grow, to make your daily routine. First is a discipline. Discipline is a very important for you, that as your day starts, it should be in a proper way. That means you have to fix your activity, whether it is at home, whether at your workplace, or with your meetings with your friends, or meeting with your relatives. So that discipline you should follow. As I can say, in defense sector, this discipline is very important. That's why we are lagging a little bit behind as compared to the other countries. We are not following the rules. We are breaking the rules. Always we ask, no, rules are made up only for to break. That's why we are breaking the rules. So that's such kind of answers are coming from today's generation. But the things is not correct. We have seen the examples that when you come to India, we will try to break the rules. But when you go to outside India, you will follow their country's rules, which is not correct. Right? So why not we should follow the same here? So that the discipline is very, very important for your growth. Second one is your time management. That means if you fix the time for any activity, you have to complete it today. That means if you fix that today you want to complete the work, whether it is any work, you have to finish it within that period. That means that is called as smart working. And if you are going as a late working, it is a hard working, what we say. That means you are spending more time into different subjects, not in your core subjects. Third is the respect. you should respect your parents, your teachers, your relations, your relatives, your brothers, your sisters, whoever it is, and your friends as well. You should respect their thoughts, you should respect their actions, and you should respect their actions as well as their thoughts, whatever they are telling with you. So that is what I can suggest. And the fourth one is compassion. Compassion means forgiveness. Wherever you find any mistakes for anybody, you should forgive it. That means, even though it is hurting to you, you have to digest it and you have to convert it into a better way or a better direction. So be with your thoughts, complete it properly, so that and you should also respect your thoughts, because whatever you are doing, it should be a perfect. It should not be go away from what you want to do. So that will also help you to grow in that way. The fourth point is helping nature. There are people who need help in that means sharing the knowledge. Whatever you have learned from education, from your schooling till your graduation, you have to share it day in, day out, rather than keeping with yourself. Now today we see that even if the parents ask to the children says, what you know, I know everything. Like that their answers used to come. They don't want to listen to their parents even though they have an experiences in that direction. They have an experience in their generation, and that generation experience doesn't work in this. So parent has to change in your mindset. So they will cope up with your thinking, but it should not happen in a longer period. You have to have with their thoughts as well as your thoughts and combine together to grow in that way. Right? And the final one is the money matters. That means whenever you earn something, you don't spend for yourself. You have to spend with at least to keep something for your savings for your future. Not only for you, your family members, your parents, everybody. We see that the expense of individual member, it is more than what your earnings, which is a very alarming situation for everyone. So this thing is the last one, which is helping to grow. If you follow the first four, the money will always come, because those first four values, it is very important for you to grow in that way. So I again thank you for this point of time which given us to share my knowledge or share my experiences. This is a very short period of time. If you want more insight on that, I'm giving my email ID or contact numbers with the department. You can send your inquiries or you send your whatever you want to have. So definitely I will help you on that. And once again I thank you the management of KLS and also the mechanical department. And let us congratulate yourself, pat yourself with a big round of applause. So this is called mechanical energy, right? Potential energy. But I saw in the mechanical department their board on the top. I am calm, royal mech, but I am calm engineer. Always mechanical engineers never become a calm. He is always become a noisy, because wherever you see in any group there is a big sound used to come. Say then we can identify. This group is from mechanical, right? So all the best, and all the best for your future. And those who have got a campus, I think you should excel at least 2 to 3 years to understand the product. Don't leave it immediately, because unless until you gain the knowledge, you gain the experience, then only you try to shift. And those who have not got, they can they will get immediately or they will get in future coming days, but focus on your subjects and support. There will be always support from your team members, your family members, your staff, and everybody. And be in touch with your teachers. Don't leave, because that is a fundamental things which they have taught to you. Thank you so much and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your truly motivating and thought provoking address.
Success is earned by those who turn challenges into milestones. We now move on to the most awaited segments of today's program, the felicitation of our toppers of the batch 2025-26. These bright young achievers stand before us as an example for hard work and academic excellence. Their dedication is not just personal victory, but a proud moment for their faculties, parents, and entire department. May I now request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly felicitate the toppers of our department. The cash prize is sponsored by management of KLS GIT.
Toppers of first year. First rank is bagged by Tanisha Gajanan Shinde. Second rank is bagged by Mary Ann Rabiro. Third rank is bagged by SL Gaudi. Toppers of second year. First rank is bagged by Anuj Khadge. He also receives a cash prize sponsored by Shri S.G. Shrigurkar, instituted in the name of late Shri G.D. Shrigurkar. Second rank is bagged by Omkar Maruti Patil. Third rank is bagged by Meet Parampnavar. Toppers of third year. First rank is bagged by Pragati Anand Demji. Second rank is bagged by Shrusti Sanjeev Lakkad. Third rank is bagged by Pooja Baswantaya Gavimati.
Toppers of fourth year. Toppers of fourth year. First rank has been bagged by Harshvardhan Jaikumar Patil. Second rank has been shared by two students, Naveen Mallappa Kurbet and Aditi Appaji Patil. Third rank has been shared by two students, Rupesh Krishna Hulikar and T. Darshan. T. Darshan. Congratulations to all the toppers. May this achievement bring you success. We now move on with the felicitation of MTech toppers of batch 2025-26. First year, first rank has been bagged by Govind V. Kamble. Second rank has been bagged by Kaustubh Nayak. Third rank has been bagged by Swapnil A. Janagowda. Second year toppers. First rank has been bagged by Prateek G. Patkar. Second rank has been bagged by Srivatsa S. Huddar. Third rank has been bagged by Vinay Dongre. Heartiest congratulations to all the toppers. Thank you, dignitaries.
We now proceed to the distribution of provisional degree certificates. I now call upon Mr. Hidayatullah Khan Pathan to collect your PDC. 23 MFD 01. Next is Madhav Reineke. A big round of applause. Madhav Renake, next Pratik Patgar, USN 03. Next Pratik Nesarkar, a big round of applause. Pratik Nesarkar 04, USN 04. Next Kundalik Ghadi, Kundalik Ghadi 05. Kundalik Ghadi 05. Next Samiksha Maekar, MMT 06. Samiksha Maekar, MMT 06. Srivatsa Huddar, MMD 07. Srivatsa Huddar, MMD 07. Next, Vinay Dongare, MMD 08. Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Shweta Gowder, Dean IRT, to hand over the PDC. We begin with PDC handover of UG students. Abhijit Kota, 21ME001. A big round of applause. Abhijit Kodar, 21ME001. Next, Abhishek Hejegar, ME002. Next, Aditi Patil, 003. I request the students to be ready near the stage. Aditi Patil, 003. Big round of applause. Next, Aditya Patankude, 004.
Next, Aditya Patil. Zero four. Next, Akash Patil, 006. Akash Patil in absentia. Patil is there? Yeah. Akash Patil. Akshay Hatiyawar, 007. Next, Akshay Matti, 008. Akshay Matti, 008. Next, Amit Palankar, 010. Next, Amok Saraf, 011. Amok Saraf. Next, Anil Hanmanta, 012. Anil Hanmanta, 012. Big round of applause. Next, Apurva Hadimani. Hadimani. Next, Arun Buchadi, 14. Arun Buchadi. Next, Aslan Mujawar, 015. Thank you, madam. I now request our head of the department to hand over the PDC. Atharva Kudale, 016. Atharva Kudale. Next, Atreya Bhende. Atharva Kudale. Next, Atreya Bhende, 017. Next, Avichal Amanji. Avichal Amanji. Next, Avinash Badigir. Avinash Badigir, next Ayman Chonche, Ayush Desai, Ayman Chonche. A big round of applause. Ayush Desai, Ayush Shirhatti, Ayush Shirhatti, Balagowda Patil, next Balagowda Patil, next Bhimrao Gadadi, Bhimrao Gadadi, next Dev Relekar, Dev Relekar, Farooq Makandar, Mr. Dev Relekar, next Farooq Makandar, next Ganesh Patanshetty, Dev Relekar, Farooq Makandar, Ganesh Patanshetty, next Gaurav Motar, Gaurav Motar, An Anshul Haibati,
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Matesh Nadgati, sir, to hand over the PPC to our students. Harshavardhan Patil, Harshavardhan Patil, Ishan Kulkarni, Joseph Ribeiro, Joseph Ribeiro, and next Kate Fernandez. Round of applause to all the students. Kiran Shettar, next Lachappa Saukar, Lakshmikant Bidari, Mallikarjun Hiremat, next Mansur Ali, Mohammad Umar Patan, next Naveen Purbet, next Nikhil Neserikar, next Surya Chivernekar, next Pangale. Round of applause to all the UG students. Om Kulgod, next Paris Jadhav, Paris Jadhav, Pragati Barshi. Thank you, Natkati sir. Now I call upon Anupama Kallod ma'am to do the PDC distribution. Prajwal Kori, next. Prajwal Kori. Prajwal. Anil Maekar. Anil Maekar. Prashant Nyamgod. Next. Prathamesh Bokade. Prathamesh Sudgekar. Next. Prathamesh Sudgekar. Rajat Hanchate, next. Ramchandra Sawant. Next. Ramchandra Sawant. Ramya Bedkeri. Rohit Mache. Rohit Mache. Rutuparna Deshpande. Ruturaj Chowgule. Sahil Gulbani. Sai Prasad Nadgowda. Seth Arun Damble. Sangamesh Hiremat. Sanket. Next. Sharat Huggi. Next, Shashank Hitilmani. Shashank Hitilmani. Next, Shashank Hitilmani. In absentia. Shivan Gowda Gowdar. Shivan Gowda Gowdar. Thank you, Kallur ma'am. Now I request Professor Vivek Kulkarni sir to join for PDC distribution. Shivani Raikar. Shiv Prasad Kumbar. Next, Shri Guru Anegundi. Shri Guru Anegundi. In absentia, Shri Ram Pai. Next, Shri Shit Mahindrakar. A round of applause to all the students. Shreyas Netalkar. Sid Shah. Next, Siddharth Ningannavar. Next, Shri Hari Krishna. Sudeep Doleshwar. Summan Angdi. Next, Sumit Desai. T. Darshan. Tanishka Lingde. Tarun Jogdekar. Tejas Patil. Next, Ujjwal Naregal. Thank you, Vivek Kulkarni, sir. Now I call upon SH Kulkarni, sir, for PDC distribution. Vaibhav Chaugale, Varun Halkarni, Vignesh Karanth, next Vithal Desai, Vivek Talwar,
Next, Yash Ranbhare. Vivek Talwar. Yash Ranbhare. Next, Abhishek Khangaonkar. Abhishek Khangaonkar. Next, Ahmed Raza Mokashi. Next, Ajinkya Joshi. Ajinkya Joshi. Akash Chalwadi. Akash Chalwadi. Next, Alan Cortino. Alan Cortino. Next, Apurva Mutgi. Next, Arman Kittur. Arman Kittur. Next, Atharva Bhide. Atharva Bhide. Next, Bharat Dodmani. Please give a round of applause for your friends. Bharat Dodmani. Next, Bhushan Kumar Gurdari. Next, Chaitanya Hundre. Chaitanya Hundre. Next, Chetan Kamatgi. Chetan Kamatgi. Next, Chetan Pujeri. Next, Chinmay Kulkarni. Chinmay Kulkarni. Next, Darshan Karagi. Darshan Karagi. Next, Darshan Gavali. Next, Giridhar Kulkarni. Giridhar Kulkarni. Next, Ganaraj Karekar. Next, Gopal Nalwade. Gopal Nalwade. Next, Harsh Panari. Next, Harshat Patil. Next, Karthik Angrolkar, Harshad Patil, Karthik Angrolkar, next Kedarnath Desurkar, thank you, sir. Thank you, SHK, sir. I now request Dr. V.N. Satvik, sir, to give away the PDCs. Kiran Kovadkar, Kiran Bolgundi, next. Kiran Pamar, next Mahantesh Kamati, next Manoj Patil, Manoj Marganache, next. Next, Mohammad Tashildar, Manoj Marganache, Mohammad Tashildar, Mohammad Faizi, next Mohammad Amunallah, next Mohammad Amunallah Nada, next Motappa Kesarkar, next Nagaraj Chavalgi, Nagaraj Chavalgi, next Nasir Hussain Perzade, Next, Naveen Hambar. Next, Nilesh Sutar. Next, Om Patil. Next, Omkar Vinod Patil. Omkar Vinod Patil. Next, Omkar Shindolkar. Next, Omkar Matale. Omkar Matale. Next, Parth Chaugule. Next, Prajwal Patil. Prajwal Patil. Prashant Patil. Prashant Patil. Next, Prathamesh Hangirgekar. Prathamesh Hangirgekar. In absentia. Next, Rahul Jajannavar. In absentia. Ravalnath Patil. Sorry. Ramappa Angadi. Rahul Bandhan. Ravalnath Patil. In absentia. Rahul Jajannavar. Next, Ravalnath Patil. Ramappa Angadi. Next, Ravalnath Patil. Next, Rishikesh Sutar. Rishikesh Sutar. Next, Ritesh Muchandi. Uh, Thank you, Satvik sir, for giving away the PDCs. I now request Dr. Ganesh Chati to come forward and distribute the PDCs. Next, Robert Pillay. Rohit Sakrepanavar. Next, Roshan Lad. Next, Roshan Lad. Next, Rupesh Hulikeri. Rupesh Hulikeri. Next, Rushikesh Wagwade. Next, Sahil Kakatikar. Sahil Kakatikar. Next, Samarth Karekar. Next, Samarth Ansurkar. Samarth Ansurkar. Next, Satish Kanbargi. Satish Kanbargi. Next, Shravan Kumar Navalgun. Next, Shreyash, ME 467. In absentia. Next, Shreyash Mori, 468. Next, Sridhar Kalkamkar. Sridhar Kalkamkar. Next, Srijit Devarkar. Next, Srijit Devalkar. Next, Shubham Desai. Next, Siddharth Rane. Shubham Desai. Next, Siddharth Rane. Next, Subramanya Ternikar. Next, Sufia Makandar. Next, Suhas Javalgi. Suhas Javalgi. Suhas Javalgi. Next, Suhail Khan. Next, Suraj Mitagar. One నిమిషం. I request all the audience please be seated. All the parents please be seated and all the students please occupy your seats. Thank you Ganesh sir for giving away the PDCs. I now request Dr. Tushar Haval to come on the stage to give away the PDC. Sushant Aralikatti, please come on the stage. Next, Swapnil Patil. Swapnil Patil. Swarup Chikodi. Next. I request all the graduates, please occupy your seats. Swarup Chikodi. Next, Vedant Mithare. Vedant Mithare. Next, Vikanchi Shinde. Next, Vikrant Jadhav. Next, Vinayak Dadagal. Vikrant Shinde. Sorry, Vikrant Jadhav. Next, Vinayak Dadagol. Next, Vinayak Rangannavar. Vinayak Rangannavar. Thank you, Tushar sir. I now request Dr. Sachin Kulkarni to come on the stage and give away the PDCs. I request all the audience, please be seated. Next, Vishal Idlhonkar. Next, Vitthal Ghashti. Next, Williams Kodamelu. Williams Kodamelu. Next, Yash Patil. Yash Patil. Next, Samarth Halasagi. Next, Ishan Hanamshet. Next, Ishan Hanamshet in absentia. Pavan Kumar Majalikar in absentia. Anurag Kulkarni. Next, Rahul Patil. Next, Karthik Gaudar. Karthik Gaudar in absentia. Next, Chetan Merava. Chetan Merava in absentia. Harish Meti. In absentia, Ritik Patil. Next, Shiv Prasad and Tejas in absentia. Thank you, Sachin sir. We now have uh, another award, that is Technical Project Award, Best Technology Product Award of Mechanical Engineering students with a cash prize of rupees 5,000. I call upon Prajwal Kohli, Sahil Kaktikar, Srijit Devarkar, and Subramanya Ternikar. Give a big round of applause. They have bagged a Best Project Technology Award from the department with a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. I request all the students to come immediately on the stage. I request Dr. Ganesh Chate, the guide for this batch, to join. I request Dr. Gitanjali Gugri Madam also to join on the stage. A big round of applause for these students. I request the chief guest to give away the prizes, to give the certificates. I request our chief guest to give the certificates.
Every certificate marks not an end, but a new beginning in one's journey. Today, you step forward not as students, but as achievers ready to shape the world. Thank you, dignitaries, for presenting the certificates, and a heartfelt congratulations to the proud parents and all the graduates. May today's success fuel your confidence to achieve even greater milestones.
A true leader not only leads but inspires others to find the leader within themselves. May I now request Dr. Shweta Gaudar, Dean IRDC, KLS GIT, to share her presidential remarks.
Namaskar and good afternoon to everybody present here. I know it's high time when I'm talking, I would just take a minute of yours. Respected chief guest, our own alumni, Shri Vijayendra Venkatesh Purohitji, Dr. Harshit Kulkarni, HOD Mechanical Engineering, Deans, HODs, and section heads of the various departments, my colleagues from the Mechanical Engineering Department, the proud parents, and the graduating students of the class 2025. My heartfelt congratulations to all our graduating students. Today is a milestone, one that marks years of hard work, perseverance, and growth. You entered these corridors as an young learners filled with curiosity. Today, you stand before us as confident, capable engineers, ready to take up the challenges of a dynamic world. We are incredibly proud of each one of you. To the parents, thank you for placing your trust in KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. Your support, sacrifice, and encouragement have played an invaluable role in shaping the success of these graduates graduating today. To the faculty members, your dedication, mentorship, and tireless efforts have transformed classrooms into space of innovation and learning. The accomplishments of our students are reflection of your commitment. Dear graduates, mechanical engineering is a discipline that continuously remains in the forefront of the innovation, be it advanced manufacturing, robotics, sustainable technology, or industrial automation. As you move ahead, remember that spirit of engineering lies not just in mastering the concepts what you have learned in the classrooms here, it lies in the applying them responsibly and creatively in the betterment of the society. Carry with you the values you nurtured, which also our chief guest mentioned: curiosity to explore, courage to innovate, character to lead, and compassion to serve. To the toppers and the achievers who are felicitated today, your accomplishment sets a benchmark for excellence. May this recognition motivate you to continue scaling to the greater heights. Before I conclude, I wish each one of you a future filled with opportunity, learning, and success. Remember, graduation is not the end, but it's the start of the new beginning in the professional world. Thank you. And once again, congratulations to the graduating students of 2025. We are proud of you. May you shine brightly wherever you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your thoughtful remarks.
Gratitude is the simplest way to honor every effort that made a moment possible. To formally express our appreciation and heartfelt thanks, I invite Dr. Sachin Kulkarni to express the vote of thanks.
Being a faculty of mechanical engineering, I deem a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. To begin, on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering of KLS GIT and all the students, I would like to thank our chief guest, Vijendra Venkatesh Purohit, who spared his valuable time in his busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to thank our KLS GIT management for their constant support and encouragement in organizing such events. And I would like to also thank uh, the, the president and in charge principal, Dr. Shweta Gowder, for her generous support for this event. Thank you, ma'am. I would like also to thank our beloved head of department, Dr. Hashit Kulkarni, for his guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks to all my dear students and their proud parents to grace this occasion. Last but not the least, I thank all my teaching and non-teaching staff for their relentless efforts and cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Thank you, one and all.
Thank
Have
you,
a
sir,
great day.
for the words of gratitude. Thank you all for your gracious presence. We once again congratulate all the graduates and toppers. Have a wonderful day ahead.
May I now request everyone to stand tall for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे क्षमागे गाए तब जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. Kindly note that lunch has been arranged for parents, graduates, and staff members opposite to the Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering Department.